Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Canva variables for bulk design automation. Canva variables let you automatically change text, images, or elements across multiple designs. This is perfect if you're creating social media posts, marketing graphics, certificates, or any design that need multiple versions. So head over to canva.com and log into your account. You can choose any template for your project, like, for example, Instagram posts, flyers, or posters. Using a template gives you a solid base design for automation. Let's go to templates, click on the left sidebar or click on template here. Let's choose for this tutorial, let's choose Instagram post. Press enter. Let's choose our template. For example, I would like to use this one. So inside the Canva editor, click on the text or image you want to automate. For example, this one. Then go to App and open Bulk Create. From here, you can either enter the data manually or upload a data file. The supported file types are spreadsheets, CVS, and TSV. For this tutorial, let's choose to enter our data manual. Let's remove one column. Then let's change this to, for example, once you've entered the data manually, click Done. There you go. We now have a data field. Again, click on any elements on your design. I would like to change my text element right here. Click on it. So what's going to happen here is Canva will automatically replace this variable. So after selecting the element, click on Connect Data. Select the field that we created. There you go. Then press Continue. As you can see here, the four words that we added on the column, world, life, death, and love. Now press Create for Design. One design created and saved to your projects. Let's view the design. And there we go. Canva has automatically generated multiple design versions. World, life, death, and love. So preview each one to make sure the text fits correctly and the images looks good. This step is important to catch spacing or formatting issues. So when everything looks good, click on Share, click Download, and you can choose your file format like PNG, JPG, or PDF. Canva will automatically export all the versions for you. Pro tip, keep your variable names consistent. Double check your CSV file data before uploading if you want to upload a file. And use high quality images to make your designs look professional. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.